Namaste to all and welcome to Vishnu. Today let me demonstrate to you a simple experiment which can be performed at your home with available materials. This experiment shows what happens when a mixture of baking soda and vinegar is brought near a burning candle. I hope you like it. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Now let me show you the materials required for this experiment. A candle, a glass, a matchbox, vinegar, baking soda and a container. First light the candle with a matchstick. Now add the vinegar into the glass. Now put the baking soda in the container. Now add the baking soda into the vinegar. You can see the reaction taking place between them. Now slowly bring the glass near to the burning candle. The candle flame went off. Why did this happen? Let me explain. The baking soda reacts with vinegar and produces carbon dioxide. This is what we see as bubbles coming out of the glass. A candle needs three things to sustain the flame. One is the fuel, that is the wax, next oxygen and heat. When you bring the glass near to the candle, the carbon dioxide spreads around the candle and amount of oxygen goes very low and hence the flame goes off. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.